你好, in this week's Chinese vocabulary, we are going to be learning words related to Chinese architecture. And before we get started, I would like to ask you a question. I would like to know which one of these would you like to live in? 北京四合院，苏州园林，福建土楼。If you want to learn Chinese characters, then make sure to check out our best-selling books, Chinese Characters for Beginners, a step-by-step systematic practice workbook to help you learn not only Chinese characters, but also words and phrases. Check the link in the description. 陕西窑洞，贵州瑶寨，云南吊脚楼，内蒙古蒙古包。If you want to improve your Chinese through fun stories, then make sure to check out Chinese Leveled Readers. We have stories from HSK 1 Starter to HSK 6 Mastery. For the beginner series, every story has Chinese characters, pinyin, English translation, and a vocabulary list. And also, we have audio recordings of the stories read by native speakers. Check out the description for all the learning resources. 再见。